Today we are going to install the new, Turn Offroad, Jeep, JL Fastback one-piece hardtop. This hardtop fits the Jeep Wrangler JL, 4-door 2018, through 2025 models. Installation time is around 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need 2 friends to help you. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools, to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing the factory OEM top, and to do that, begin by removing the front top panels. Turn the sun visor down, and unhook this latch, shown here. Then, turn these 3 top panel levers to the open position. Next, do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Now, you can remove the front top panels, and set them aside. Start with the driver's side roof panel first. Then, you can remove the passenger's roof panel. Next, remove the 2 T50 Torx bolts, found on top, shown here. There is one, on each side of the vehicle. Now, you will need to remove these 3 T50 Torx bolts, that run along the bed rail, on each side of the vehicle, as you see here. Next, don't forget to unplug the defroster, wiper, and water hose if equipped, from the C-pillar, as seen here. Now, remove the 3 bolts, from the other side of the vehicle. Now, grab that extra pair of hands, to help you remove the factory top. Don't forget to open the tailgate, lift the glass, and close the tailgate again to make this a much easier removal process. Next, doing the same thing as you just did to remove the top. Lift the glass before setting the top in place, so it clears the spare tire. After the top is in place, open the tailgate, lower the glass, and close the tailgate for now, while you are adjusting the top. Now, it is important that the top sits in the rubber seal correctly, so it doesn't leak or damage the seals. The contact points should look like this, shown here. Next, reinstall the bedrail hardtop bolts, as you see here. There are backing nut plates already in place, they are adjustable to line up with the hardtop mounting holes. So align the rear location, and thread these bolts in. Now, when installing the front bolts, push inward from the outside, by your own hand or some help, as you tighten the bolt down. This makes a better, and tighter seal for the door. You may have some alignment issues, since not all Jeeps or hardtops are the same, but everything will thread in. Now, finish installing the bolts on both sides of the vehicle. Next, adjust the latches, by tightening or loosening the catch hook. When you have adjusted it to where the latch snaps in place, with light to moderate pressure, then, set the jam nut, and you are good to go. Close the tailgate, glass, and doors, making sure everything seals well. Lastly, one last test for that perfect seal. Open the door, and close a bill between the door and top seal. If you can pull it through with slight resistance, then it's a good seal. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad hardtop install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.